And if you scroll down right under switch to business profile, you should see request verification. At the moment of this recording, this is available worldwide for iOS devices. So it should be on your iPhone, but it will soon roll out to the Android. So right now, if you don't see it, make sure you update your app. But if you have an Android, wait a few more days. It's very important to do this right away. In fact, watching this video, make sure you go through the verification process, because I'm sure they're gonna get backlogged very quickly after this process, because everyone's gonna do it in the first couple of weeks. So what you need to do here is you need to put in your full name. So go ahead and type in your full name or your business name or whatever you're trying to get verified here. And then once you do that, you need to choose a file from your photo library or from taking a photo, because this is how they are going to verify you. But it is still unlikely to get verified. They're not just gonna give this out to anybody just because their name and their ID matches. They still want this to be for people that have a social media presence on Instagram and beyond Instagrams. There is no follower limitations. I've seen people with a couple of thousand followers having it. But again, make sure you go through this process. And if you don't get verified, just keep building, build a LinkedIn profile, build a Facebook profile, build your social media presence, try to get publications about your business or your personal name, and then try again. But right now, I recommend you do this because it's in the very first few days, and the chances to get it verified and Instagram not having a huge backlog just yet is very high. I hope you found this useful. I know this process is a little bit frustrating, and getting verified is not as simple as just clicking a button, but having this request verification option is your best bet. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I post social media videos just like this one 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.